Hello everyone, welcome to week 2 of training. So we had stated that we are going to start with video intercom, then we proceed with access control and so on and so forth. So our week 2 we are going to cover video intercom solution based on Villa configuration. So we had started before with a fence station and we were following on apartment, but then I realized that we should cover Villa because it's a simple solution and maybe a standalone. So it will take quite a small time so that we finish with the villa, then we'll proceed with the apartment from next week. So in this week we're going to cover villa configuration solution. So I hope the video will be short, and also configuration and everything will be included in this video. So I've decided to make the villa solution in just one compact video as compared to last week where I did 3 videos for apartment configuration. So in this video, it's going to be one. So let's start. So Dahua technology provides a video intercom solution. We have a very good intercom solution, and what you're going to cover is IP Villa. We're going to check from the video. You'll get about 90% coverage for Villa solution. So I'm going to do a bit. There are many configurations for Villa solution, but I'm going to do a basic one, considering the market in Kenya. But based on if you want some requests on other information, maybe more configuration, the information I'll include in this video. So my name is Shelton Kikwech. I'm a technical support engineer at Dahua Technology, East Africa region. We are based at Kenya. So my contacts are as you can see from the screen, and that's my email. So we're going to do a Villa intercom solution for our second week. So in this tutorial, I'm going to cover walkthrough on the IP Villa solution, and I'm also going to cover configuration. So everything will be included in this video. So this video is meant for installers, those people who are doing installation for intercom solutions, technicians, and newbies. So if you are having some problem in your existing infrastructure for troubleshooting, you can check this video also. So the deliverables for this week are indicated as below. So we're going to start. So Dahua has two major video villa configuration or villa solutions. We have IP based and analog based. So it's important to do an IP system because considering the technology, considering troubleshooting issues, standards in the system, it's advisable to use an IP system rather than analog system. So we'll check what an analog system is in the video and what an IP system is in the video. So I'm going to do an IP system configuration because it's what's majorly available in the market today. For the application scenarios, the Villa solution is used in homes, that is houses. So if you want to install a video intercom in an apartment, you'll have to do a apartment configuration. So there are two configurations: villa and apartment. So for a villa, it's typical like this house. So it provides solutions for CCTV, alarm, VTH, VTO, all in one intercom solution. Yes. So apart from that, the solution provides a remote management. Dahua products provide remote management of devices. So that's very important. So all our systems, if not all, majority of the systems of Dahua, if not all, provides a remote configuration monitoring, and based from the mobile apps and even your computer. So for the Villa configuration, we have a video and audio intercom. This is the VTH. This one is a VTO. System integration. There's an optional for integration for cameras, home cameras like IMO brands and alarms. So as you can see, you can integrate even third party, provided they support the OnVIF API or APIs. You can integrate with our our Dahua video intercom solutions. So for the configuration for the Villa system, you could have a VTO, one VTO or multiple VTOs. So the other VTOs are included as a sub VTO. That is, they are master and the slave. So basically, a main VTO is the master VTO, sub VTO is the slave VTO. What I'm going to do this week is only one VTO and a two VTH. Mobile app. The mobile app can be used to receive remote calls. As I told you before, that you can do remote management of intercom solutions or our products. So we have a mobile app called GDMSS. You can use it to do a remote call, that is calling the VT or VTH. Unlock doors. Someone can call, you can check and unlock doors when you're in a remote place. It also provides logs, that is, you can check the records that have happened in the system. So multiple wiring mode, we provide different wiring modes. Cat5e, that is the standard. Standard, you can use Cat6 or Cat7. We have a Wi-Fi based video Villa intercom configuration. So this is the Wi-Fi based is purely wireless, and we have two wire. So two wire, we have analog and also there's a digital one. So I'm going to show you just in the video as we proceed. For the system architecture, we have an IP scenario. So in this type of scenario is what majority of the people use. So it basically you have a VTNS, is a switch. This is a DAWA switch. So you can use this switch. We have a VTH, multiple VTHs, and we have camera installed. We have even another VTO and unlocks. So this is just a typical and what is majorly available in the market. Another scenario for architecture and designing for Villa solution is using two-wire system. So the two-wire system would use a device called a converter. It's a VTNS. We also provide this type of device. So rather than using the Ethernet, normal Ethernet cable, you can use this converter with the two-wire. But it's advisable, from my point of view, I'd advise you to go with the first architecture because it's simple, it's standard, and you can use normal RJ45. Another scenario is a IP wireless system. So you would have a client that doesn't want cables running in his compound. So we have devices that support wireless, as you can see. So for such case, if you want specification for such devices, the information is available in our website, dahuasecurity.com. So you can check. You can find that information in our website. So for support models, not all devices support the wireless system. We have specific devices that support wireless system. So you would typically use a wireless system with wireless system devices. So we also have a technology called AirFly. For such case, I'll not cover this in this video, but maybe in the future, we'll do a wireless configuration. So we'll talk more about what is the AirFly technology that DAWA uses and the normal Wi-Fi technology. The analog system. So this is one of the first systems that the company introduced. We have it's an analog system based on just normal cables, no internet or something of sort. So analog system, digital system. Advice to go to the digital system. So product selection and technical specification. So if you receive some specific recommendations by your client that you want such a VTO. So all information are indicated as you can see. Some of the devices are not added here because I'm using a rather little bit older documentation, but we have other VTO like vandal-proof VTO that can be used for Villa solution. So more of the VTOs are not included in this table. So what I would advise you go to just check in our website, the dahwasecurity.com. You will find a product selection. You can do a selection based on what you need. Maybe you need a specific type of VTO, you need a specific type of VTH. So maybe just for demonstration, I'm going to go to Dahwa Security, and we'll do one. Just check one. So the page loads. So meanwhile, maybe you can continue. Also, it has loaded. So when you come to our website, there is a I want to. You just go to this tab, and you have product selector. So from this region, you can do selection on products. You can select intercom solution, your device, video intercom. You can do let's wait as it loads. Select video, analog, or IP products. So we go with the IP. So we have Villa. So from this point, you can do quite a lot of filtering for information, so that you know what you need, you know what your client needs, and you can meet their demands. So let us continue. Also, for technical specification, we have a specification for the VTH. So this VTH is one of the old models. This does not use the SIP server. Okay. Also for indoor monitor, the mobile app that the company provides is DMSS. You can find it in Play Store or App Store. So just a straightforward thing. So for the mobile apps, you would need it in when configuring the client's mobile app, and for remote management. Okay, next we're going to do configuration. So that's all on the Villa intercom. So based on theory, that's one of a bit enough information that I've covered. So as I've talked before, I'm going to do a configuration based on one VTO. I've said it's 6210 BW, and two VTH. So they are connected in a switch, and the switch is connected to my computer. So it's basically a one network segment. So I'm going to this config tool. If I refresh it, you can see I'm having the three devices. So this is VTH 6210BW, 2421F, FW. W is not included. So I've configured my IP for the VTO will be 120. One of the VTH is 121, and another one is 122. So I'm going to start initialization for the VTO. Select initialize. Password, I'm going to set it as admin123. Oh, sorry, I'm going to do initialization for the VTO on the web. So it's easy on the web for Villa configuration. So the VTH, I'm going to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not going to include email address just for demonstration purposes, but you'll have to include it. Select language. I'm not going to restart it, just doing finish. So the VTH are initialized. I'm going to do a configuration for the VTH in the config tool, so that it can become easier. You know what I've done it. So device config, search settings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the login details for the VTH. So what I do is just double click one of the VTH. This is the first page that you land on. So you have an option for using the existing numbers. These are the room numbers, but I'm going to show you. It's better to understand, not to use just the existing system. It's good to understand something. So I'm going to use a custom numbering. So I'm just going to use 1 hash 0. So this is just my numbering. So I'm going to set it as 1 hash 0 for that first video. This will be the main video. So the IP addressing, I'm going to set it as 120. This is the server. This is the server, the video IP address. So we are going to use the video as the SIP server. So it's 120. The IP address for the video is 120. The port is going to be 5060. For such information, I'm going to leave this information as it is. SIP rem will be VDP. Login user, admin, password, admin 123. So click OK. I'm going to apply it to this. This information will be configured in the other VTH automatically. So you see. Next, I'm going to check the network terminals. Our video IP address is 120. Password is admin 123. That is the password we'll be setting for the video. Click enable status, save, and then you're going to apply it to the other VTH. Just click config. Let's check it from this. From that point, we're done with the configuration for the VTH. I'm going to do a configuration for the video on the web. So the address is 120. Password admin 123. Password admin 123. So click next. I'm not going to set email. Next. And okay. So the device will reboot or not. Just log in and log in now. Next, we're going to the local configuration. Then we're going to do now this Villa call number. I'm going to start here. It's a Villa station. Now you see you only have one option, considering the device is made for Villa configuration. So if it was a VTO 1210CX or something higher, you will have multiple options here as maybe fence station or Villa station, fence station or unit door station. So the Villa call number, I'm going to set the number for the VTH. Now you see in our system, I numbered my VTH to be 1 hash 0 and 1 hash 1. So if I set the Villa call number 1 as 1, all the VTH will be called. That is, if you are in the house, all the VTH will ring. If I set it as 1 hash 0, the VTH with the number 1 hash 0 will only ring. So depending on what you need. But I would advise maybe to go with 1, because you might find someone is in one of the VTH is in the basement, another one is in the first floor. So it will be advisable to set it as 1, such that when someone calls, regardless of the place where the owner of the house is in the villa, he can listen. So and respond to it. So the call number, I'm going to set it as 1. The center number will be the number for the VTS, but I don't have the VTS in my system. So just leave it as that. So that's the only information you need in this place. Then click confirm. Next, you're going to the household settings, then room number management. So remember we had our custom numbering. So I would just clear this information, then add my custom numbering. So first name, set it as Shelton. Can leave the others. Room number 1 hash 0. This is one of the VTH. So this password, just leave it as that. The same way we had left the information in the VTH while configuring it in IP config. I'm going to issue a card. Just click there and swipe a card in the VTO. It's optional. You don't need to add the card. Then I'm going to click save. Next, I'm going to add the other room. It will be 1 hash 1 hash 1. Room number, same because it's a villa. Then click save. Next, we're going to do a settings on the network settings. So network settings tab, go to SIP server. So for you to edit this information, just click this one, then change the password, because we had changed the password here. Set it as admin 1 2 3, then turn back to enable, then click save. So it will take a couple of seconds before the error in the VTH disappears. Then you'll be able to make calls. So considering you have done everything as I indicated, everything should work well. So if you can listen in the background, I'm making call from one of the from the VTO to the VTH by tapping the on the screen of the VTO. Also, just wait for a couple of seconds before the other VTH is able to receive. So I forgotten here on #1. Now all my VTH are being called. So that's all.